Here are the two schools for tonight's show, Manchester High and Calabar High. This is Schools Challenge Quiz. From Manchester High, we have Tristan Spencer, Ashley Silvera, Ruth Ann Blair, and team captain Kajon Brown. While from Calabar High, we have Taj Williamson, CJ McCalla, Kobe McKnight, and team captain Toby Ann Dreckett. Hello everyone and welcome to this 8th match in round 3 of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Manu. Your judges are Lily Samuels for the arts and Dr. Patrick Stevens for the sciences. It all comes down to this. High schools from across the island have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's find out. It's time for the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Manchester won and asked Calabar to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so please, may I have that time on the clock? Calabar, your first question is in geography. 2 of the 3 rivers in St. Thomas, Jamaica are the Morant and the Plantain Garden. Name the third.
Yalas River. Yalas River.
Correct. Geography for Manchester. The town of Maypen in Clarendon, Jamaica lies on the banks of which river?
Riamino.
Correct. General knowledge, a visual clue for Calabar. Look at the monitor and identify this building.
Colossus.
Incorrect. The Sagrada Familia in Barcelona, Spain. General knowledge for Manchester. Look at the monitor and identify this place.
The White House.
Incorrect. The capital or Capitol Hill. Chemistry for Calabar. What is the approximate percentage composition of carbon in calcium carbonate?
12%.
Correct. Chemistry for Manchester. What is the approximate percentage composition of oxygen in sulfur dioxide?
25%.
50%. Music, an audio clue for Calabar. Listen to the following clip and identify the artiste.
Kika.
Incorrect. Gautier, somebody that I used to know. Music for Manchester. Listen to the following clip and identify this artiste.
Lord.
Correct. Team. Mathematics. Calabar, in a certain college, 40% take physics, 30% calculus, and 10% both. If 40 students are enrolled, how many are taking neither physics nor calculus?
4.
16 students. Mathematics for Manchester. The length of a rectangle is L and its width is W. A second rectangle of area 1800 square meters has length 2L and width 3W. What is the area of the first rectangle?
Unity.
300 meters squared.
300 square meters. Correct. Theatre and cinema visual for Calabar. Look at the monitor and identify this actress.
Janet McCurdy.
Kate Walsh. Theatre and cinema for Manchester. Look at the monitor and identify this actress.
April.
Incorrect. Sarah Drew. History for Calabar. Fidel Castro took part in a quashed attempt to overthrow the military junta of Rafael Trujillo in what country?
Dominican Republic.
Correct. History for Manchester. Who founded the Party of the Cuban People, commonly called the Orthodox Party, in 1947?
1947.
Fulgencio Batista.
Eduardo Chibas. Sport of visual for Calabar. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Darren Mattox. Darren Mattox.
Footballer, correct. Sport from Manchester. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Leon Bailey. Leon Bailey.
Also a footballer. Physics for Calabar. Approximately how many suns are there in the Milky Way galaxy?
5.
Anywhere between 200 and 400 billion. Physics from Manchester. Approximately how many man-made satellites currently orbit the Earth?
Man-made. It's approximately 50. 50.
2,300. Spanish for Calabar. Give an English saying equivalent in meaning to tenga yo salud y dineros quien los quisiere.
I have health and wealth.
Health is better than wealth, judges. Spanish for Manchester. Give an English saying equivalent in meaning to siempre llueve sobre mojado.
It never rains but it pours.
Very good. And that bell signifies the end of the opening challenge for this evening. Scores in the match look to be Calabar High on 4 points, Manchester High just ahead on 5. It's time now for the Digicel Viewer's Question. Our viewer's question comes from the category International Affairs. The question is, what is the 4th most populous city in Switzerland, often referred to as the Federal City? Answers will be accepted only by text messaging. Send your text message to 422-QUIZ. That's 422-7849. The first 5 persons who answer correctly will receive a prize of a credit to their Digicel account. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. Stay with us. School's Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.